Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruises. Okay, you got a loom. If you got an 11 up bike, you're in for a shock. This is it on the left. Okay, all this crap and all this lot plugs into shit as well. We haven't even, you know, some of it's in there. But basically, all this lot, unbelievable like it may sound, is on a 2011 up bike. This is off a Road King, not even a bagger. Imagine a bagger loom. But all this crap is off that bike. Okay, this loom with all its multiple horrendous plugs and things. Okay, we are now going to be doing a kit. If you watch the videos, you'll see me fitting it to turn all that, which is canvas, by the way, and a nightmare. Can't run auxiliary switches unless they're canvas switches or anything, into this. This is the Thunderheart ignition, and this is our VFI loom. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, this takes the place of all this electronics, and this will run your bike. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to have a loom to run all the bike bits, and we're going to have an EFI loom. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can get rid of all this shit and fit a carb just by using this and one of our carburetor kits. Okay, and it will work, believe me, I've done a few. So if you're interested in converting your bike from all this modern shite into something that's a lot more manageable, this has even got LEDs on here. So each circuit is protected and got an LED, okay? So if you get a problem, you'll know, because this will show you. Okay, this, unless you've got a Harley computer, which God knows no one else has, apart from Harley, you'll be paying them a fortune to plug it in, maybe 150 quid. Then you're going to have to find out what the fault is, if they'll tell you. Okay, this full EFI loom, which is available, this will allow you to fit on your bike, you know, like a 36-pin Delphi, which we recommend the SNS. This is SNS. Okay. And we've got a Thunderheart loom, or we do Wire Plus, which apparently went bust, but I didn't realise. But this Thunderheart loom is real top of the range with all the LEDs, very easy to fit. Comes complete with all the plugs and everything in here. Okay. And this is our SNS style VFI loom. Okay, so we're going to plug in SNS ECU, which for additional 350 quid, you can get fully auto tuning as well. Give you an example on the price. This is around about 400 quid. This kit here, this is around about 750, 800 quid, but you have got the ultimate. And if ever you wanted to take this stuff off, you could put this loom on another bike. I'm doing my bagger from carburetor to EFI, and this is actually the loom I'll be using. Okay, if you're interested in any great stuff, BFI, SNS, or even SNS motors, like 124s, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.